had come to submit our letter to the Deputy Collector. Unfortunately, the lady who is in charge, temporarily in charge, also has additional responsibility at Margaon Collectorate. So she's there and she will be coming to this office at about 3:30. So we have a fixed appointment with her tomorrow at 3:30 where we will be handing over the memorandum.
What was the point to come here? What is the issue?
Yeah, is requesting the authorities to drop the land acquisition procedures because one thing is, as per the CEC committee's report, okay, it is very clear that this project doubling is not feasible, and the Supreme Court has taken a stand in its report. If you look at it, there are 12 suggestions made by the Supreme Court. Of these 12 suggestions, 7 suggestions are related to the doubling of the Southwestern Railway track outside the eco-sensitive areas. Okay? And if you read the report very carefully, the Supreme Court has very definitely said that this project is not feasible. And also they have mentioned that if you make a thorough study of all aspects, it is clear that there is no urgent need of doubling in the state of Goa. So why are we doing it? And besides that, I would also like to ask the government of Goa, okay, ours is a democratic government, a government where the people are centric, okay. Everything that the government does for the benefit of the people of the state. Has the government taken a study, a detailed study of the impact of this project, doubling of the Southwestern Railway track, on the lives of the people, on the environment, on the animal life? Has the government ever gone to the sites along the route to see what will happen to the people living along in the houses along the existing track? Government has not shown any concern for the people, and I think this is not right, because we are all aware. I had requested the Honorable Chief Minister to come onto the track, and he was kind enough to, as per our wish, come onto the track. And there we marked where the second track would be located. As per Mr. Sahu from RVNL, he told us that the second track requires a distance of 14 meters from the center of the existing track. Now, when you mark 14 meters from the center of the existing track for the second track, you know where it lands? In many cases, it is landing inside the compound of the houses. Will the people residing in those houses continue to live in those houses? So are we going to be turned out of our own homes? Are we going to be made homeless? Has the government done a thorough study on this aspect? And another thing I request is stop using Goa as a corridor for the benefit of the bigger states.
They said that it is a double engine sarkar. Looks like they are running the double engine over the people of Goa. It is not for the benefit of Goa. अरे बाबा, तुम्ही जर land acquisition करताले to build a metro for the people of Goa, हाँ समजूंग सकता. Then we would have even supported you. But who are you building this for? We don't want coal in Goa. The passenger requirement is not there. So who are you building it for? It is very clear. Somebody wants, friends of the Prime Minister's office wants to bring coal from Australia through Goa to Karnataka. Illegal land grabbing ह्या मुद्द्याचेर जर खरे दखल घेवपाची आसा जाल्यार हांव सांगूंक सोदता की biggest illegal land grab जो चल्ला is by the government of Goa on the lands of Goans in the name of double tracking. This is the biggest illegal land grabbing that is happening through the Deputy Collectorate department. आणि हांव सांगूंक सोदता की तुमकां जर हो खरो मुद्दो घेवंक जाय जाल्यार स्टॉप दीस लँड एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस बिकॉज इट इज इल्लिगल. जशें मॅडमीन म्हटलें, सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर इज व्हेरी क्लियर. दे हॅव नॉट ओन्ली कॉमेंटेड ऑन जे मोलेम आसा तातूंचोच पार्ट न्ही, पूण द डबल ट्रॅकिंग प्रोजेक्ट एज अ होल दे हॅव डिक्लेअर्ड इन देअर ऑर्डर की बाबा हो प्रोजेक्ट गरजेचोच ना. whatever requirements are there can be fulfilled by other ports in India. So Goyan, whether in Mole or outside of Mole, this project is not required म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान डायरेक्ट म्हणिल्लें आसा. जेन्ना मे म्हयन्यान ही ऑर्डर आयली तेन्ना BJPच्या मंत्र्यांनी लिडरांनी वेगळे वेगळे स्टेटमेंट्स केले लोकांक कन्फ्यूज करपाक की ना हो जो ऑर्डर आसा दॅट इज ओन्ली रिगार्डींग द नॅशनल सँक्चुरीन जे एनवायरमेंटल डॅमेज जातली आनी तातूंत सुद्दां आमकां परत एप्लाय करपाक परमिशन दिलां अशें सांगून लोकांची दिशाभूल करपाक हे स्टेटमेंट्स केले आनी लँड एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस चालू दवरलो. पूण खरो तुमी जर ऑर्डर वाचली जाल्यार इट इज व्हेरी क्लियर, स्पेसिफिकली इन पॅरेग्राफ नंबर 20 आणि पॅरेग्राफ नंबर 22 द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज क्लियरली स्टेटेड that this project is not even required. So there is no question of applying for permission or for doing the land acquisition which is going on.